Hi, so this is a copy of your assignment response, and I just wanted to go over it with you, and then I will reset your password. Sure. So let's zoom in on this so you can see it better. Okay, the first one says 12r minus 8 minus 12. So what you need to realize is that there are three different terms here, and only the first one has r in it. That is not what I wanted. Only the first term has r in it, and the other terms are constant terms. They don't have a variable in them. So think about what you have that are the same. So you have 12r minus 8 and minus 12. These two are the same. Now think about those on a number line. Here's 0 and here's minus 8. Now if you do minus 12, you're going to go 12 more in this negative direction. So if you go from negative 8, so think about like temperature. If it's 8 degrees below 0 and you drop 12 degrees, you're going to get to negative 20. But now, look, like I said, these two can be combined because they don't have the variable r with them. This problem right here is a multiplication problem. It's 12 times some number r. The letter r, it's a variable. It stands for some number, but we don't know what number, and it doesn't matter. But we do know that this thing here is this term here is a multiplication problem. These two terms are not multiplication problems. So you can put those two together and remember that they're negative. So your 12r can't be combined with anything, but your minus 8 and your minus 12 can be combined to minus 20. So you have 12r minus 20. Okay, this problem is, let's look and see what it has. So it has a variable x in that first term, and it has a variable x in the next term, and they're both negative. So those can be combined. If you start here at negative 4, and then you drop 10 more, minus 10, you put your negative 4 and your negative 10 together, and then you just leave the variable x with them. These two are like terms, so you can combine them. You combine like terms. Okay, so this is the problem that we just did at the top of the other screen. This first term has an x, this last term has an x. The 11 does not, so you can combine the minus 2 and the plus 6. Think about a number line again. Here's 0, here's minus 2, and you need to add 6 to that, so you're going this way. So where will it land? It lands at 4, positive 4, so it's 4x plus 11. Okay, and it looks like that one was correct for you. Nice work. Combine like terms here. This first term has v in it, and the second term has v in it. So now go to your number line. So really right now you can forget about the, sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. Hold on. Sorry, David, I have some issues here with my tech. For this problem, you can forget about v and you can forget about v here. But remember, minus v plus 12v, that's the same as minus 1v plus 12v. Now forget about the v, and put minus 1 and plus 12 together. A number line would look like this. Here's minus 1 and here's plus 12. So you come up here to 11. So it's positive 11v, like that one right there. This first term has a p, the second term has a p. Put them both together, and it should be 6p. Next page. Here's an n, and here's an n. So let's put those two together. Let's put n with minus 5n. But remember, n is the same as 1n. Not plus, but minus 5n. So that's going to be minus 4n. Now let's put plus 4 and minus 9 together. Plus 4 minus 9. On a number line, that would look like this. Here's 0, here's your plus 4, and here's your minus 9. So that's going to take you down to negative 5. So now put these two together here. Minus 4n, negative 4n minus 5. This term has an n, and the others do not. So 9n is, you can't do anything else with that, but you can put minus 5 and plus 6 together. Minus 5 plus 6, what does that look like on a number line? Here's minus 5, and here's plus 6. Takes you up to positive 1. Different signs subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. I believe that was all of them. Alright, so I hope that made sense. After you watch this, email me, and I'll reset that assignment for you.